Rain go away. Why isn't the rain going away? Skyler, because we're trying that, aren't we, Skyler?
Huh?
Say it. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. How come the rain's not going?
Because when it comes down, it doesn't go. That takes a little while, but every night it might happen. It does.
Alright.
Yes.
Skyler.
Huh?
Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. How come it's still raining?
Because I told you already. Because when it comes down, it never goes away.
When does it go away?
When it gets a little dark. Not a lot, a little bit.
A little dark? Okay. What do you say about this, Buck?
Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff.
Okay, well I guess that's it, huh, Skyler? So the rain's not gonna go away.
No.
It's not gonna go away. Say it. Rain, rain. Say it.
Rain, rain, go away.
Okay.
Look at the rain. Look at the rain outside.